Hello students, myself b.k.singh. Today we will discuss some important terms related to effects of change of temperature. And these first of all we will discuss melting. And melting students will define, but I would like to suggest all of you, whatever we are going to discuss today, you must write down and try to learn it also. So now we are studying from melting. So student, what is melting? The change of state from solid to liquid at a fixed temperature is called melting. And we know that when temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the particles also increases. And when it overcomes the intermolecular attraction of solid particles, the particles starts moving freely and their conditions becomes like liquid state and the solid gets converted into liquid. It means on heating, the close packing is changed into loose packing, and the process of melting is also called fusion. And now students will discuss what is melting point. Actually, the temperature at which any solid substance melts and change into liquid state at atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. For example, the melting point of water is 0 degree Celsius and the melting point of pure wax is 63 degree Celsius. Now students, we will discuss boiling. So first of all, we will discuss what is boiling. The change of liquid state into vapor or gaseous state rapidly on heating at a fixed temperature is called boiling. And the temperature at which any substance starts boiling is known as boiling point. Understood? And some example you can take. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, whereas boiling point of alcohol, which is actually spirit also we can say, is 78 degree Celsius. And so many there are. Petrol is boiling point of petrol is 95 degree Celsius, benzene is 80 degree Celsius, mercury is 357 degree Celsius, and so on. So now students say we can say that what is the cause of boiling. So when a liquid is heated, the kinetic energy of the particles of liquid increases and these particles starts moving faster. And when boiling point is attained, the particles acquire sufficient energy to overcome the force of attraction which holds them and get separated into individual particles to look like gas particles. And students, after discussing this boiling point, now we'll discuss condensation. What is condensation? So condensation, student, it is the process in which a gaseous state is converted into liquid state by lowering down its temperature is known as condensation. For example, when we heat water in kettle, water vapors gushes out from it. On bringing a pan containing ice in contact with the steam coming out from the kettle, the water vapor gets condensed and converts into liquid. And students, condensation is the reverse phenomenon of vaporization, as vaporization requires high temperature, whereas condensation requires low temperature. So thus it is the reverse of vaporization. Now students, after this we will discuss freezing. Next topic we will discuss freezing. Freezing. So student, first of all we will discuss that uh, what is freezing and what is freezing point. So first, freezing means the change of liquid state into solid. Freezing means the change of liquid state into solid state is known as freezing. And the temperature at which liquid gets converted into solid at atmospheric pressure is called freezing point. The water freezes at 0 degree Celsius, and different liquids have different freezing points. And students, we can say here that freezing is the converse or reverse of melting. And now, after freezing, we'll discuss sublimation. The first, uh, students, certain solids do not convert liquid on heating but directly change it into vapor. For example, naphthalene ball, camphor, iodine, ammonium chloride. They are some examples of substances which undergo sublimation. So, sublimation, what is this sublimation? So, sublimation, we can say the process in which solid directly convert into gaseous state on heating, or the gaseous state directly convert into solid state on cooling without changing into liquid state is called sublimation. And here two words are there in sublimation, two words are there, and these are sublime and sublimate. So what is sublime? The solid which can show the sublimation are called sublime. And what is sublimate? So the solid obtained due to sublimation is called sublimate. And now, students, these were the terms which are very important. You should write and learn it. Thank you, students, for watching, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.